Mining Picoin is simple and can be done in a few easy steps. Go to your App Store and download the Pi Network app. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Sign up for an account using your phone number or Facebook account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to click on the mining button to start the mining process. You'll need to confirm that you're not a bot by solving a captcha puzzle. After completing the captcha, you'll start mining Pi coins. Mining on Pi Network doesn't consume battery or data, so you can keep the app running in the background. To maintain your mining rate, you'll need to open the app and click on the mining button daily. You can increase your mining rate by inviting friends to join Pi Network using your referral code. Remember, Pi Network is still in its early stages, so the value of Pi coins is speculative. However, it's a simple and accessible way to potentially earn cryptocurrency using your smartphone.